Good morning, one and all. Myself Naganika, lecturer in Commerce, Government Model Degree College, Reddy. Now, today, let us discuss the accounts of non-profit organizations. Prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet from the following receipts and payments account and balance sheet as on that date for 2005. Receipts and payments account for the year 2005. Balance that is 20,000. Subscriptions that is 2004 is 400, 2005 4200, 2006 300, entrance fees 1600, locker rent 1500, miscellaneous income 8000, that is 36,000. Next, come to the expenses side. 2004 expenses 2400, 2005 expenses 4000. Now land is 8000, interest is 800, miscellaneous expenses 4000, balance 3112 2005, that is 16800. So 36,000. Now balance sheet 31st to 12 2004 means last year balance sheet. Here capital fund is 67,240, subscriptions received in advance that is 1200, outstanding expenses that is 2800, loan 10,000, so total is 81,240. Assets side, building 60,000, outstanding subscription 760, outstanding locker rent and cash 480, 20,000, 81,240. First we have to prepare the income and expenditure account, that is expenditure to expenses, that is 4000, to miscellaneous expenses 4000, to interest that is 800. Next to income side, subscriptions 4200, so add received cash year that is 1200, the total is 5400, entrance fees 1600, locker rent is 1500 minus last year outstanding 480, 1500 minus 480, that is 1020, miscellaneous income 8000, that is 16020. Next is we have to prepare the balance sheet 3112 2005. Now liabilities, capital fund is 67,240, add excess of income over expenditure 7,220, that is 74,460, loan is 10,000, subscriptions received in advance 300, outstanding expenses last year 2,800 minus 2,400, that is 400, 5,160, building is 60,000, land is 8,000, subscription 760 minus 400 360, cash is 16,800. The total of the balance sheet is 85,160. Let us discuss the another problem. So the following is the statement of assets and liabilities of Hyderabad Library Association on 30th June 2004. Now liabilities are capital fund 44,350, outstanding expense 2,650. Now the assets side is cash is 2,220, furniture is 5,850. Now bank account is 17,850, investments 5,000, buildings are 14,000, outstanding subscriptions 1750, rent of lecture hall outstanding that is 350, so the total is 47,000. The following are the cash transactions for the year. Balance brought down 2200, entrance fees 2600, subscriptions 9500, to sale of furniture 660, to rent of lecture hall 1040, to proceeds of the entertainment 3000. Now the salaries are 2400, by taxes and insurance 1200, by additions to library 1250, outstanding expenses of last year paid 2650, by printing and stationery 650, by electric installation expenses 4500, by sundry expenses 200, by balance C by D is 6150. The total is 19,000. It was ascertained that 2,000 were outstanding by way of subscriptions and 450 for lecture hall. Outstanding expenses are estimated at 750 and insurance is prepaid to the extent of 150. So this is problem is given. Now prepare income and expenditure account for the year and balance sheet as on 30th June 2005 after providing for depreciation on buildings at 2% and on the library books 10%. Now let us discuss our library income and expenditure for, account for the year 36 2005. Now salary is 2400, taxes and insurance 1200 minus 150 1050, to expenses 950, to printing and stationery 650, to depreciation on building 280, depreciation on books 1785. The total is 2065. So here income side subscriptions. Here subscriptions for the current year 9500, outstanding for the current year 2000, that is 11500, minus outstanding of the last year subscriptions 1750. The total is 9750. So here subscriptions are 9750. Now rent we have adjustment. Rent for the current year 1040, outstanding for the current year 450. The total is 1490 minus outstanding for the last year, that is 350, 1140. So here rent is 1140, by entrance fees 2600, by entertainment that is 3000. Now balance sheet of the Hyderabad library. So 31/6/2005. Here capital fund is 44,350. Here add excess of income over expenditure 9,375, that is 53,725. Outstanding expenses, that is 750. Next building is 14 minus depreciation, that is 280, 14,000 minus 280, that is 13,720. Next furniture is 5,190, 17,315, investments 5,000, prepaid insurance 150, outstanding subscriptions 2,000, outstanding rent 450, cash is 6,000. So cash 6,150 means closing balance of the cash. The total of the both sides is 54,475. Now so here books for the current year 17,850, add purchases 1,250, add purchases 1,250, then that is 19,100 minus depreciation is 1785, that is 17,350. The books is 17,315. So this is the balance sheet of the Hyderabad library. Now let us discuss the another problem. Now the balance sheet of the public library showed follows. First April 2005. Here first outstanding creditors for the expenses 700. Now creditors on open accounts 4,300, capital fund accumulated expenditure, that is 70,000. Next assets side, cash at bank 4,000, sundry debtors, for subscriptions outstanding 1,000, for use of lecture hall 400. Investments 5%, government loan 6,000, library books 20,000, furniture and fittings 3,500, buildings 40,000, insurance prepaid insurance 100. Now the cash transactions for the year ending 31st March 2006. Here bank balance on 1st April 2005 4,000. Now to entrance fees 1200, to subscriptions 12,500, to proceeds from lectures and 1,500. Now to rent received from the use of lecture hall 1,500, to interest on investments 200, to sale of old newspapers 450, to sale of furniture 100. Now next cash transactions, that is credit side, payments to creditors and on open accounts, payments to creditors on open accounts 4,300, by additions to library books, that is 1,400. Now electric lighting and the power 300, by municipal taxes 1,100, by repairs to building 1,800, by insurance 350, electric installation expenses 2,000. Electrical installation expenses 2,000, payments to outstanding creditors of last year 700. Now here by insurance 350, by electrical installation expenses, that are 2,000, payment to outstanding creditors of last year, that is 700. Now by printing and stationery 500, by sundry expenses 250, by postage, that is 420, subscriptions to periodicals 1,400, by cost of investments bought 3,000, by salaries 3,600, balance at bank 31/3/2006 4,330. The total is 24,450. Now the insurance was prepaid to the extent of the 75, and subscriptions outstanding amount is, that is 1,800. 1,800. Now here 250 for owing. Now here subscriptions outstanding amount is 1,800. Subscriptions outstanding, that is amounted that is 1,800. 250 were owing for use of lecture hall, and 300 for the interest on investments had accrued due there were creditors outstanding for the new steel shelves acquired during the year amounting 1,750. There were old owing for the salaries 500 and stationery 75. Entrance fees are to be capitalized. You are required to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet for the year ended 31st March 2006, after providing 2% depreciation on building and 5% off on electrical installation. Now on electrical installation and furniture and fittings, and 10% on library books, such depreciation to be calculated on the opening balance of the assets in question. Public library income and expenditure account. So here solution: public library income and expenditure account for the year ended 31/3/2006. Salaries 3,600, add outstanding 500, that is 4,100. To electrical lighting power 3, that is 300. To municipal taxes 1,100. To repairs to building, that is 800. To insurance 350 plus 100. This 100 is given in the adjustment minus 75, that is 375. To subscriptions to periodicals 1,400. Next here printing is 500 minus add outstanding 75, that is 575. Now to sundry expenses 250, postage is 420, depreciation on building 800, depreciation on furniture 175. Next, and books is 2,000 975. Here excess of income over expenditure, that is 7,805. Now credit side is subscriptions 12,500, outstanding is 1,800, 14,100, minus outstanding for last year 1,000, 14,100 minus 1,000, 13,100. By lectures and entertainment 4,500. By rent is 1,500. Add outstanding 250. So the total is 1,750 minus outstanding for the last year, that is 400, 1,350. By interest is, that is 200 plus outstanding, that is 500. By sale of newspapers is 450. Credit balances are more than debit balance, that is to excess of income over expenditure, that is 7,805. Now discuss the balance sheet on 31/3/2006. Capital fund, that is 70,000. Add surplus, that is 7,805. Add entrance fees 1,200, that is 79,005 rupees. Creditors for furniture, here 1,750. Outstanding expenses, salaries and stationery 575, 575. Now buildings are 40,000 minus depreciation 800, 39,200. Next here furniture 7,975. Here library books, that is 19,400. Investments, that is 6,000 plus 3,000, 9,000. Interest on investment, that is 3,000. Prepaid insurance, that is 75. Outstanding subscriptions 1,800. Outstanding rent 250. Cash is 4,330. The total of assets and liabilities 81,330. Thank you all.